Hey, what's up guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, can you smash the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime we upload a new video you guys will be notified. In this video, I'll be walking you through how to find Palmpay agent near you. So there are some people who, of course, you might want to ask for some questions, or you want to start a POS business and you are looking for people that are already in the business and you don't know where to actually find them. So inside the Palmpay app, you can actually find people that run Palmpay agent or Palmpay business near you or within your state or city or local government. So all you just need to do, just log into your Palmpay app. Then on this page right here, you see all these services right here. So just swipe to the left side, then you see all the service, or you can also click on the more options so you can see all the service listed. So just find where you see agent near me. So you can see there are a lot of options right there. So just scroll down, then you're gonna see this is transfer, this is orders. I think it's currently on which side. So I'm looking for agents near me. I don't know why I'm not seeing it on this page, but it's basically on the first page right there. So let me quickly look for it again. Agent near me. So you might also want to, or you might also face this kind of issue, so just have to find it. All right, I can't find it on this page, but if I go back right here, I can find it. You can see agent, nearby agent. You can see right there, nearby agent on the second slide. This is the first slide, this is the second slide. You can see nearby agent is on the number 8 if you count from the invitation. You can see right there. So just click on nearby agent. Then if it's not showing from your own, you can navigate to your state. You can see all states are listed, or the states in Nigeria. So just navigate to your own state, just confirm, then select local government. You can see all local government are listed right there. So once you select local government, you can see I select Kebbi state, for example. Then you can see these are the available agents in this area. So if you select another state, let's say Lagos state, for example, then click on confirm. Then for local government, you can select, you can see Agege, Ajeromi, Alimosho. Okay, let's confirm Alimosho. You can see right there. So these are the available agents in Alimosho. You can see right there they are very much. So this way you can find agents within your location, and they will be able to help you out in any kind of things you actually need solution on. So that is how you can find nearby agents on Palmpay.